Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. It's time for a bird video. Hey guys, what you doing? This little contraption I made. We got Jaybird. I got a banana hanging. And I got my little colored popsicle stick hanging from a rubber band next to the swing. And we'll see if Jaybird likes to get up on there and pull off some acrobatics, or maybe not. Well, maybe not this time today. You guys like that banana? You guys like that banana? Banana good, huh? There he goes. Now we might see something silly go on. Oops. That's my bad. I'm making noise over here. Ignore me. What you doing, buddy? You looking at banana? What y'all doing? What y'all doing? Bad bird, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Bad bird. Jaybird, come say hi. Jaybird, come say hi. Fine. They're all bananaed out. Look at that. They tore that banana apart practically. Here I was at the beginning thinking it was going to be Jay that was going to be playing around doing all the acrobatics, and hey, it ended up being Kay. Look at Kay go. Putting on the show. It's so good to finally see him getting along. Yes, sir. I've been working on that. I didn't even know if I was getting anywhere, but it looks like I am. Look at that. K isn't chasing J away no more. I just had to actually get in the way and just start, like I said, put my hand in between them and separating them and backing KK off. And KK didn't put up with it right away. KK, put up a little bit of a hopping on my hand and, jumping that barrier. But I just kept on keeping on, just patiently and calmly, making sure I back KK away every time. Be mean to Jay when I'm trying to pay attention to him. And like I said, look at that. They're not fighting over the food like they were, or over the treats like they were. Really, really cool. Even when I'm not around, they're sharing them. So happy. Oh, cool. What they're gonna do now? Hi guys. What you gonna do when they come for you? That lens completely clean. There we go. That's a lot better. My bad. Haha, just ignore it. Oh, look at this. While I'm editing a bird video, there's Jay coming through the bird cave to see me. No kidding, y'all. Look at that for real. That's Jay bird come pop through the bird cave. Look at me while I'm editing the bird video. Ha ha ha. Ain't that amazing? Oh, that is so cool. Jaybird, you the star of the show, buddy. Yeah, buddy. You so cool. Well, hi, KK. You come see me today, too, huh? I'm telling you, these little birds love me so much, and I love them. Look at that. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Yeah? Yeah? Is that right? Of course they do. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. What you doing today? Listen to the little noises Jaybird's making. Oh my, I'm telling you, these two birds are going to be a talker, especially Jay, but Kay's catching up. And if nothing else, Kay definitely be probably doing some whistling. Kay seems to like it when I whistle more, and Jay just seems to absolutely love it talking. Loves trying to repeat what I'd say. That is so awesome. Hi, Jaybird. And that's another little thing. Jaybird right there. He loves that little spot over the refrigerator now. He's really, really, really loving that spot over the refrigerator. He got himself, like I said, he got up in that cave. Jaybird, you're so cool, buddy. I even tried setting up a little box on the table the other day for him to see if he'd crawl into or through. And he didn't check it out, but I might try that again as he gets a little bit older. See if he'll start checking out little boxes and stuff. And I gotta do a little better on some tabletop toys and getting him playing around with that. They're not too big on them, and I think if I just use some treats, maybe I can get him a little bit better at that. And again, somebody, like I said, really they gave me a really, really harsh teasing about that metal, or that, not metal, but that reflective material up on the ceiling like that. But the birds and me, we're Budgie buddies. We love it. Oh, sweet, sweet. I love it. Alright, back to editing the video. Now, I got another video to make. In fact, I'll just toss this right on the end. Even though the other ones started off at 12 minutes long, I'm going to try to get it down to 8, and this is running at 3. So, See ya. Answer the phone, Joshua.